Welcome back to Autoland, the place where machines meet legends and engines come to life. If you're into classic power, diesel dominance, and raw mechanical beauty, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the legacy and rebirth of one of the most iconic engines in diesel history, the Detroit Diesel V12, now reborn for 2026 with modern refinements while keeping its legendary roots intact. The Detroit V12 isn't just an engine. It's a statement, a V12 two-stroke diesel powerhouse that defined heavy-duty trucking, industrial equipment, and even military applications for decades. Originally developed in the 1960s, this beast was known for its high-revving two-stroke scream, unmatched reliability, and unique sound that turned heads wherever it went. For 2026, Detroit Diesel has reintroduced the 12-volt 7.1 with modern upgrades, emissions compliance, and electronic controls, but with the same old-school muscle that made it famous. Under the hood, the 2026 Detroit 1-7.1 still features 12 cylinders in AV configuration, 71 cubic inches per cylinder, totaling around 850 cubic inches or nearly 14 liters of raw displacement. It's still a two-stroke design, keeping the aggressive throttle response and the unmistakable diesel scream that enthusiasts crave. But now, it's been refined with electronic fuel injection, digital engine management, and upgraded turbocharging systems to enhance efficiency and torque across the RPM range. In terms of power, the updated 12-volt 7.1 pushes out approximately 600 to 800 horsepower, depending on configuration, with torque figures that can climb past 1,100 Newton-meters. But beyond the numbers, it's about the feeling. This engine roars, not hums. It commands attention, whether it's pulling a loaded rig up a mountain pass or powering a vintage semi-restored for show and shine events. Detroit Diesel has focused heavily on emissions as well. While keeping the two-stroke identity, the new version includes ADPF system, SCR technology, and advanced computer calibration to meet modern EPA standards without compromising on performance. That means it's road-legal, eco-friendlier, and still as brutal as ever on the throttle. This engine isn't for everyone. It's not a quiet, fuel-sipping hybrid. It's not made for city traffic or mild manners. It's a throwback for those who crave mechanical connection, those who remember what real diesel engines felt like before everything became software and sensors. But it now comes with the balance of technology and usability. You still get that signature Detroit whistle, the bark, the throb, but now with smoother shifts, better diagnostics, and more dependable cold starts. The 1-7.1 2026 is already making waves in the custom truck community. Builders are swapping these beasts into restored Kenworths, Peterbilts, and even some vintage buses. With polished blowers, custom exhaust stacks, and chrome everywhere, these engines become the centerpiece of rolling art. And now, with factory support and available parts, owning a 12-volt 7.1 doesn't mean scavenging junkyards. It means reliability with style. One of the biggest improvements in the new version is its serviceability. Detroit has simplified access to key components and designed the new layout with mechanics in mind. Routine maintenance is quicker, and major overhauls are less daunting with modular upgrades and digital support tools. Mechanics familiar with the original design will feel right at home, while newcomers will appreciate the documentation and smart diagnostics. On the road, drivers describe the 12V7.1 as alive. Every rev is a reminder that this isn't just an engine, it's heritage in motion. The 2026 version doesn't tame it, it refines it. With smoother throttle response, less smoke, and tighter control, it's more usable in daily life but still makes your heart race when you step on it. Whether you're a trucker, restorer, or diesel enthusiast, the return of the Detroit 1-7.1 is a rare moment in modern mechanics, a celebration of the past with eyes on the future. It's loud, it's proud, and it's not here to play nice. It's here to play loud. Thanks for riding with Autoland. If you love raw diesel muscle and legendary machines like the Detroit 1-7.1, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride into diesel history. Drop a comment if you've ever heard one of these monsters in real life, or better yet, driven one. Until next time, keep your RPMs high and your gears grinding. This is Autoland, signing off.